To share the thought of the day, a pearl of wisdom to build our day's journey. My name is Geetika. Today thought: the capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, the willingness to learn is a choice. Thank you. To the news bulletin presented by Ishwar, bringing us the latest updates from around the world and our school community. Morning to our today's sport news and international is brought to you by Ishwar from Grade-III Hazel. Sport news: Bumrah celebrates his third.
Hey, you should take mic like this.
Become Indian lady Brigade-III at FCG. International news: Japan and China agree to visit Billowing Report in 2025. To deliver a speed focusing on the harvest festival. To all, my name is Dikshit. I am from Grade-III Hazel. Today I am celebrating harvest festival. The next crop is fully ready and is to be eaten. The farmers collect it from the field. This is called harvest. It is time to celebration all after the hard work. Harvest festival is celebrated all over the India. On this day, in this day, India, the farmers worship the sun god, their cows, their bulls, and the tools for farming. Thank you. And now we have also reached to the end of our assembly. So let's end our assembly with GK questions. I would like to call my friend Sai. Now I am saying GK questions. Grade 1 and 2. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is lion. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3 and 4. Which is the sheep of the desert? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is camel. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Which continent is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Asia. Let us appreciate them. Now we listen a song about Konnichiwa. Anyone knows about Konnichiwa? What is meaning of Konnichiwa? Konnichiwa means hello in Japanese language. Get ready for a fun-filled adventure with our favorite it a gadget to learn values? Let's try out everyone. I hope it's not another terrible gadget Doraemon. I hope it's not another terrible gadget Doraemon. Don't worry, it's bring funny and laughter. Ta-ta-da. It's fun. Doraemon Nobita made everyone happy. Do you also do the same? Happy? Yes. Where is my toys? I am Siddharth. What is? Where is my toy hero? You are throwing everything.
Louder.
You are throwing everything. How can you find like this? Best help me find it. Here is your toy, Shinchan. Don't be like Shinchan. Be respectful and responsible. Hero, respectful and responsible. Do you clean up your classroom? Do you greet your teachers and friends? Yes. That's how you can be responsible and respectfully.
Louder.
I'll be.